What's up, beautiful people? In this video we will be taking what you see me, which is cutting these sunflower heads off so that we can harvest these sunflower seeds. Now this is the first time I'm ever doing this, so make sure y'all stay tuned to learn all the different tips and tricks that I have learned, and be sure to drop all that you know in the comments section below. Y'all ready? I think I'm ready, so let's get to it, y'all.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 I start with the big boy. Once you've allowed for them to dry, what you want to do is just go ahead and clean off the top little flaky area, which when you have a sunflower, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the backs off, again keeping this part nice and clear. And so from there, oh man, I'm already starting to take off some of the seeds. Let me gather. But even these seeds are still nice and soft, and so what I'm gonna do now is just break it, but having them facing down so that they go where I want them to go, which is very nice. Truth be told, a little therapeutic. But I'm gonna just even break off some of them and go ahead and drop them in there. They fall off very nicely, and this one really could have dried a little longer. It's still a little wet, but I do have another sunflower head that was a little further along in its development, and I believe it's going to give us that nice dark color that I was looking for. This one is still nice and fresh, which even if I roasted these, it would be good because of how fresh it was. And so of course nothing goes to waste. All of these parts can go into the compost, which I'm going to leave the rest of these on and allow for them to just remain on the head a little while longer, so they can develop just a little bit more and they can be nice and dark color that I want, which I'm gonna show you even in one of these heads, the color that I'm looking for, which I believe this one has it. So again, same process. We're just going to remove the outer flurries, we're gonna call it, remove the outside leaves, and yes, this one's good. This one has gone further than the other one. Same concept. These seeds are a little bit smaller, but they're a little bit further along. Booyah. And so of course, even in the harvesting of them, put them in the oven, put some seasoning, however type seasoning, salt, pepper, it's probably enough, and roast these bad boys, and I will have some fresh sunflower seeds grown from the garden, which I've never had before. I've always eaten sunflower seeds as a kid. I used to pride myself on being able to do like 3 or 4 at a time, or you know, have like a whole handful in your mouth and eat them as you go type deal. Like that was always the thing in the summertime. I used to be with my cousin Quez, my Rain's godfather, my best man, but nonetheless great man. And yeah, so this one's even a little smaller, so it's cool just to see. Like I said, this is my first time growing sunflower seeds, and especially even harvesting them, and it's cool to be able to see even firsthand how you can have some sunflower heads that have and give jumbo seeds, and then this one which gives like the regular type seeds. And so I have a nice mix of both that I get to harvest. And with sunflowers being an annual plant, I'll just, like I didn't cut the whole stem. I just cut the head aspect of it, and it'll grow back next season. And so like I said, with the the remaining heads, I'll just put that into the compost bin and allow for that to do what it does, which of course is compost. which will add nutrients to the soil for more gardening. Beautiful, beautiful circle. So there's more to be harvested on that one. Let's look at this one, which is a lot more darker than both of them. And I've seen different videos of people like even taking a bat and like beating it. I don't know if I want to go to that extent. Yep, nope, this one's a little too, well, I don't know, like I might be able to eat this one straight from here. But nonetheless, that was another variant. Let's see what we also have over here. And down to the mini ones. We have seeds in these as well. And so as you grow your Mammoth sunflowers, which these are, you know, all of them, from the biggest to the smallest, will have seeds that you'll be able to harvest at the end of its growing season, that you'll be able to harvest. It just might not be those jumbo sunflower seeds that you used to get in at baseball games or gas stations or anything like that, but they're still edible sunflower seeds or regrowable sunflower seeds, which I'll eat some, but I'll also save some to grow future sunflowers as well, because they were a nice addition, a nice pop to my front yard garden. And so, and also people like seeing them too. They drove by slow, looking at them. Had some people stop and tell me they enjoy seeing them. So it'll be a staple that I'll be able to do in my front yard gardens, and I do recommend you doing it too. Sunflowers are a very easy plant to grow. Pretty much plant the seeds and the sunflowers will do the rest. I really didn't even need to trellis them or anything like that, which I thought I would, because I had to before when I grew them, as I showed in one of the Throwback Thursday videos this month. But nonetheless, simple. You can do it if I could do it. And we not only grew them, but now we're harvesting them, so you were able to see the whole process from start to finish. And so even with more heads to still harvest, these are some seeds that we have, ladies and gentlemen. Seeds that I can now put into the oven, allow for them to roast, give them some type of flavor, and yeah, I can eat them. That's pretty cool, guys. It may not be for you, but it is so for me, because I've never done this before. And just to be able to be a part of the process and bring you all along the process is what I'm most excited about. And so if you haven't already done so, please, please, please go ahead and subscribe. You made it this far in the video, so you might as well treat yourself, reward yourself. And if you are new to all that I have to offer, I also do have a gardening squad that you can join as well, with various perks as well as live videos and things like that that we get to do exclusively together as a team, as a group. Okay, so be sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, then click that join button and join me for some other videos. And like I said, I have some more heads that I can continue to harvest from. And yeah, guys, this is so awesome. Guys and gals, you can do it if I could do it. And it starts from here and it ends up like this. All right, great people, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Until next time, peace.